Bam, bam. What is up, guys? This is mYxZje and welcome to day 11 of the 30 days CSGO trading challenge with me as your guide. Today we're making some sweet profit, and I'm actually going to teach you about some common market tips that you can use in order to boost your trades. The tips that I'm about to share will probably not give you an immediate impact on your trading skills and, let's say, your trading gains, but they will in turn give you something that you can think about when making trades, so you can better judge if this is a good deal for you, how can you make better trades, and sort of minor things like that eventually stock after some time of trading, and then probably you raise your profit by 5 or so %, but it might take some time. That's what I'm trying to say here. So before we jump to the blackboard, just enjoy the trades I did. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the blackboard, and for the first tip, which is check averages, I'm going to give you a bit of an example here so you can learn the best. So first we have 4 skins, which is StatTrack handgun, stickers of C9, and then we got MP7 special delivery, and finally Desert Eagle Crimson Web. So as you can see, they are all at around 420 euros, and the last is 423, and from that you could, I guess, if you're inexperienced with trading and just started, you could guess that, oh god, those are worth all the same, maybe I can trade my Desert Eagle for special delivery, implying it was at 420. So you assume this is an equal trade, but the thing is, it really isn't. So let's see those items individually. So this is the first item. It's a Cloud9 sticker, and as you can see, it fell down a bit, but that's not a problem right here that I'm trying to show you. The thing is this weekly graph. As you can see, it had a range from 460, 450, 420 was something like a middle ground, and then it was 3.9, 3.8, and then it kind of made itself back to the 420 range. But it also had this one drop, which I'm going to assume is a quick sell, so I'm not going to really count this one in. But if you check its average price, it actually is around 420, 430, so it would actually be above the price that's listed right now, which is, of course, I'm going to ignore this first as I'm assuming this is a quick sell. So it is around the 420, and it would be a good deal. Next up is the P2000. Let's check its weekly graph. So as you can see, this one had a much higher average rate. At one point it was 5.3, then it was 5 again, 4.8, 4.9, 4.9, then it was a quick sell at 3.4, 4.7, 4.7, 4.6, 4.7, 4.7, and then this drop at 4.20. So if, for example, you had this P2000 handgun and you were offered a sticker, even though they would show the same minimum price at 4.20, it would still be a rather bad deal to take. And like I told you, these tips will help you minimize your mistakes and bad trades. Now another one, this Deagle. As you can see, it was actually below the 420 range all the time, and now it kind of rose up. So like I said, this would be a bad trade if you had a P2000 handgun. And last one, MP7, also somewhat of a wonky weekly trades, but it is still higher than a Deagle, so trading this for the Deagle would actually be a bad decision. I mean a good decision if you had this. So my first tip is check Steam weekly averages to help you minimize bad trades. Alrighty, the second action or I guess tip, is use CSGO Steam Analyst to help you with estimating the current value and also seeing the trends behind the guns. So once again, I'm going to give you an example. Let's say we have, you know what, actually let's use the same example. So we have a P2000 handgun, just to show you how powerful this tool really is. So it was a StatTrak minimal wear. Where is it? StatTrak minimal wear. Okay, as you can see, it's estimated at 4.58 on Steam Analyst. And now let's search for that Desert Eagle. So remember, 458. Actually, let's open a new tab. And now open this. This was a StatTrak field tested. So Desert Eagle Crimson Web StatTrak field tested. It's actually at 3.9. So you can see this is a great difference between those two. And now the tip that I'm actually trying to show you with this is that if you had a Desert Eagle in the first place and you offered for this, in the long term this would be a great trade for you, but in the short term, for example, if you were just checking the market prices, you would see it's a 423 to 420. So you'd say, oh my god, this is a downgrade, hell no, I'm not doing that. But actually in the long run this would be a great profit of so 392. Actually, I don't know. Yeah, I don't even know. I suck at math and I need a calculator for everything. But my point is, this would be an amazing trade if you had a Deagle. Alrighty, lesson number 3, or rather tip number 3, is always trade for popular skins if you can. So for example, in my day, I think it was 9 or 10, I did what I called a tactical downgrade. Actually, let me just quickly check it up. CSGO trading. Alright, so we have a, where was the tactical downgrade? Okay, so I had a Glock Blue Fisher at 32 euros and I downgraded to Op Asimov well worn at 30. So you can see I lost 2 euros in this deal, but the thing is, Op Asimov well worn is really popular skin and you can get rid of it in a beat. Just I do this with my fingers, I snap my fingers and bam, it's gone. So you can really get it into anything. The same thing goes with the day 11 when I traded this thingy P90 Asimov, not Modern Warfare, but the minimal wear to Op Asimov. Even though it was at the time it was 42 and this one was actually an equal trade in that sort, Op Asimov is just so goddamn easy to trade that it's really a great deal if you can get it that way. And now my final tip, which is tip number 4. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more CSGO trading tips and tricks, and hopefully you can make it big one day like I did before I got scammed. And actually in the next episode I'm going to tell you something about my trading career, how I started, how I got where I was, and you know, something about me, so you can, I guess, have a better understanding on how I became what I am right now. Thank you all for watching, guys. I really appreciate all the support, and see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.